In this video, I'm going to show you the full process to sell Worldcoin using Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will obviously need to have your Kraken account ready with your Worldcoin on your wallet. And once you have that on your wallet, all you need to do is go to the sell option right here and then find Worldcoin. So you can also convert, this is basically the same thing, and then just search for USD right here or any currency you want. It can be euros, USD, or whatever you want. And in my case, I don't have any Worldcoin to convert. So this is basically the process, but I'm going to show you how you can do it using Litecoin as an example. But again, it's exactly the same process. So just select how much Worldcoin you want to get or how many USD or euros you want to get. For example, let's say you want to exchange 100 euros worth of Worldcoin, then you will just put Worldcoin right here at the top and your fiat currency right here at the bottom, and this way you will just review the order. I'm just gonna do max, for example, the maximum amount of Litecoin I have, then just review this order to see the details, the fee, and how much you will receive, and confirm. Now once you have done that, you have basically already sold your Worldcoin, and now you have your fiat currency, which can be euros, USD, or whatever you want. And now if we want to withdraw that to our bank account to get it ready on our bank and spend it, we can just withdraw right here, click this button, or go to transfer and withdraw. Now select cash, and here you will have different currencies that you can withdraw. So depending on the one that you are using, you will have different payment methods. So for example, let's say I want to withdraw euros, we can just click right here and we have these two options. This one will be if we want international bank transfers, or this one that will offer instant bank transfers with just €1 fee. And yeah, that's basically how you can withdraw your Worldcoin into fiat and then transfer it to your bank account. You just need to select the currency, fill in your bank account information, and wait for the money to come into your bank account. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.